Welcome. This is how to change administrator email on Windows. So, first thing is just simply go open up the start menu into your Windows. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and open up the settings, or you could just simply search it up. Now, guys, once you are on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and select accounts over here on the left side of the screen. Now, once you are on the accounts tab, just simply scroll down a little bit until you see over here family. So tap on the family tab. And now from here, just simply scroll down. And now just simply go ahead and select add someone over here as your family. And now from here, guys, just simply provide the email of the person that you want to add someone. And after that, an email will be sent to them. And just simply provide all of the necessary information needed to proceed. And once you have added your account, it will look something like this. And now you can just simply select this arrow pointing downward. And you will have an option over here, change account type. And as a standard user, make this one as administrator and simply select OK. And after that, you should be able to just simply go ahead and go to your other account and change the account type to member, and you should be able to change your email on the Windows. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.